Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to customize your Steam profile, okay? And you can even get artwork. So the way you go about this, you first launch up Steam, come to the top right, click on your profile icon, okay, your name, and then click on View My Profile. Now I want to mention one thing to make sure that your Steam profile is actually at least level 10 because then you unlock the ability to add things like a showcase. And for artwork, by the way, let me also mention how you can get that. So you need to purchase the artwork showcase from the Steam shop. I'll show you how to edit the other stuff. Just click here on edit profile, and then you can edit things like your avatar. Right here you can choose from different avatars available. You can choose your avatar frames that you have. You can also come here, change the theme. Okay, this is the default theme. You can change it to, for example, cosmic. Right here you save that, and this is the theme. This is what it appears like. Okay, you can come here to mini profile. You can go ahead and choose a background right here to appear in your mini profile hover as well. If you have more, you can use those, and you can also choose your featured badges that you have available. You can pick those and save it. Okay, and then if we come back to our profile, as you can see, this edit has already been made. Of course, you can make the others as well and customize according to your desire. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.